Hi guys, are you trying to run C or C++ code on Windows and seeing that GCC is not recognized as an internal or external command error? In this video, I'll show you how to install GCC, set it up correctly and even get your code running smoothly in VS Code. So without wasting any time, let's get started. When you try to run a C or C++ program using GCC, Windows might give an error saying GCC is not recognized as an internal or external command. Okay, this may happen because GCC isn't installed yet or isn't set up correctly on Windows. To get started, we need to install GCC. A simple way to do this on Windows is by using MinGW, which stands for Minimalist GNU for Windows. Go to the official MinGW website, download the installer and start the setup. After this, an exe file will be downloaded in your system. Now let's go to our download folder and try to install the MinGW in our machine. Now just simply follow the instruction given in the installation process. Now select the installation directory where you want to install the software. I'll suggest you to leave it as default for smooth process. It may take few minutes to complete. Once you open the MinGW setup, select GCC, G++ and M system base from the package list and apply the changes. This will download and install GCC and other essential components for running C and C++ code. It may take few minutes to complete. After it completes, close the window. To confirm everything is set up correctly, open a new command prompt and type GCC version. You should see GCC version information displayed. If you do, then GCC is successfully installed and ready to go. As we can see, it threw an error, which means GCC is not set up correctly in our system. So to resolve this, we need to add GCC to the system path. For that, go to the control panel, select System and Security, then System. And finally, Environment Variables. Find the path variable located at C. I have copied the path of the folder and pasted it like this, but you can navigate to pin as shown. I'll provide this path in the description box. Now let's verify it again. Open a new command prompt and type gcc version. You should see GCC version information displayed. If you do, then GCC is successfully installed and ready to go. Now let's set up VS Code to compile and run C code. Open VS Code and create a new file with the .c or .cpp extension. Then install the C extension by Microsoft, which provides debugging and IntelliSense. You can check the I button for installing extensions. Here I have written a simple hello world code to test the process. To run and compile program, you can use the terminal in VS Code by typing /filename or by setting up a launch configuration, or just type the following command with correct file name in the terminal. Now your C program will run right here in the VS Code. And that's it. Now you know how to install GCC, configure it on Windows, and even set it up in VS Code to run your C and C++ programs. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know if you have questions in the comments. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.